Hi guys, how are we doing? Phil Kent here, bringing you another Save Club demonstration and walkthrough. Now what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you the back office briefly and show you the different websites that you have to use for promotion purposes and things like that, because people like to see what is available. Now I'm logged into the dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard is only available as it looks when you are a paid member, so if you're just a pre-enrollee you won't be able to get full access to all these on the left hand side. Now if you're going to use promotion and to get people to join and things like that, or show them the opportunity that is available, you come down on the left hand side and you click on to My Websites tab. Okay, now when you click on the My Websites tab, this is going to bring you sort of choice of 3 main pages. Now the first main thing to notice at the top, they do have some important rules that I must point out to you. Okay, first of all, do not spam. Never send out your personal website addresses via an autoresponder and any form of mass or bulk electronic means. Many highly quality autoresponder companies will require that you use high quality opt-in leads and provide a redirect to your website addresses. Now what that basically means, they don't want people using their main website addresses. So say if you look at the main sort of Powerline page, because this is the most common one you'll see, if you say you're going to buy traffic from a solo ad vendor or purchase traffic in bulk from somewhere and send them directly to this page, that is what they do not like. Okay, you're better off creating yourself some sort of capture page or opt-in page first, where you could say use some of the headlines on here, but it's your own page, so you're capturing the email address into your own autoresponder, and then once they opt in they can get access to this page. So I hope that kind of makes sense. All right, it's very important to point that out. And it says do not purchase leads or traffic, because we do not allow purchase traffic sources to be used to drive traffic, hits, leads, enrollees, or anything else to any Save Club websites. They will deactivate your account if it happens on a high number and a regular basis. Okay, so do review the spam policy. It's not just the Save Club, they have the same thing. We've got Backup, they had the same thing with Live Good, especially with these type of Powerline structured programs. Okay, now you've got 3 main sites that they offer you to promote with. One we just saw briefly. This is the sort of main website. They've got a quick description. This is your main site where you send people who are telling about your membership and affiliate opportunity. Right, so that's the ultimate savings and experience. And this is just kind of self-navigation. Okay, this is a brief outline of the company, what it does and how to do it. Plenty of tabs to sort of join and get going. Then you can click on the Save Money tab so they can read a little bit more about it, and they can see some examples of the deals and things like that, and the savings to be had. And then they can go back up again. If we go back, let's go back a page, and then if you wanted to earn money, how could you earn money on that tab? Earn money with Save Club shows you how to earn. It gives you a breakdown of the commissions table, the matrix commissions, etc., and how it all works, so that people can get a good sort of view of that. They can sort of come here, scroll through that, and decide if they want to be involved in the compensation plan. And then finally, you've got the Our Mission tab. So this is quite a good website to use to send people to if they want a lot more information, because it does sort of cover everything. Then you've got we've got one of the websites already shown you. This is the sort of main sort of tour page. This is the very common page that you'll see out and about there, especially on sort of safe list or traffic exchanges, things like that. It's just very short and to the point. Discover the ultimate savings and earnings opportunity. Grab my free position. You've got a small video there. And then finally, the last page is what they call the Save Club splash page. A bit of a mouthful. Very similar to the other one, just slightly different layout, different colours, different wording, more sort of geared towards the money-making side, I would say. Okay, because it's about profiting quickly and turning your everyday spending into a money-making machine. So these are the websites that they have available. And like I said, the idea behind it really, they don't want you buying a load of paid traffic and sending it straight to this page. I mean, if you've been chatting with someone, say via social media, via Facebook, and someone's interested in taking a look, then yes, by all means, you can drop them this link and they can go and see that, and you'll get a few hits. Or maybe if you've got a banner page up somewhere, they click on a banner and then they go to this page again. That's kind of acceptable because you're not just sending a massive traffic to that one page. Okay, but if you would say go to one of the solo ad sites or traffic vendor sites, like Udemy or somewhere like that, and purchase some, say, amount of clicks from one of those vending sites, then obviously they don't want you to send it all straight to here. And to be honest, it's not the best way to operate anyway, because you ideally want to be sending them to some sort of capture page, okay, somewhere where they're going to drop in their email, and then you can redirect them to this page. But the idea then is you can get them on your email list. Once you've got them on the email list, you can send them a follow-up series, you can keep them and start building a relationship with that person. Because if you just sort of purchase an amount of traffic, you send them straight to this page, they're going to drop their details in. Okay, yeah, you can't be doing that ideally with a company, because if you keep doing it, you're going to get your account sort of suspended or terminated. But secondly, once that lead goes in, the only people that's going to be communicating with that lead is the company. Okay, it's never going to be actually your lead. You might have access to the email address because they're a contact, but it's not going to be the same. Okay, so ideally you want to be sending people to a page of some sort, which is why what I've been doing is putting it together a page for myself, which I'll be using, and I'll be letting people use. If I just launch the editor, I'll show you what it's looking like. It's one of the pages I put together inside of Leads Leap. I'm going to be putting together a sort of funnel for my team as well, so they don't have to use it, but it's there to use them if they so want it to. And I'm going to show you a very quick capture page once it loads, as you can see. So if I give you a quick full preview of this page, you'll see better what it looks like. It's running a little bit slow because I've got the recording software going, but as you can see, just a very straightforward capture page. Congratulations, you found this page, so that it pops up nice and bright, nice and eye-catching. Discover the ultimate savings and earning opportunity of 2025, where you can turn everyday spending into a money-making machine. Drop in their best email, yes please show me, bomb. Now I can either take that to a bridge page, which is say me talking again about something else, or then I can take it straight to one of the pages like that I was just talking about. Sorry, not that one, something like that if I wanted to. But then I've got the sort of choices, okay? So that's the idea. And then the difference is there. I mean, some people do put in a fake email, but what you can do, especially inside Leads Leap, if they put a fake email in, they're not going to get anywhere, because ideally you want people to confirm their email address, and once they confirm their email address, then they'll be taken through to the page where you want them to go to. Some people do just allow that to happen, but it all depends on what sort of customer you want. You find, and nowadays a lot more people prefer the confirmed leads, because at least then you know you've not got the time wasters and things like that. So it all depends. It's sort of personal preference really, but basically this is how it comes down to. Okay, that didn't take me long at all to sort of knock that up, and then I've been putting together a funnel as well. I don't know if I can find that, because I've been doing a lot of work this morning. So basically I've been I'll see if I can find it quickly. We've got a Save Club landing page, just to take a quick look. Show the idea of what I'm doing. Okay, and then I've got a welcome. I've got my own sort of funnel page here. So then I've got welcome, watch the video, which is presented to them. I've got a video here. This is one of the Save Club's own videos. It's a product overview. It's about 6 or 7 minutes long. Then I've got my own video, how to join and get started, and then I've got one of the latest sort of live webinars from the company and the CEO and things like that. So, and I'm offering people to get a copy of this page, which is done with Leads Leap, and some training that I put together myself as well. So this makes life easy for people, especially when you've got the likes of Leads Leap. You just use a share code, they can import the pages, they can import everything else in, and I've got other capture pages that are sort of generic, can be used for anything, and they can, once you imported it into Leads Leap, you can customize it, you can change the wording, you can do what you like. That's the beauty of it. So that's just about it. So let's just sort of jump back to where I was.
Something went wrong.
Okay, I've got some videos. I've got one. Got Alexa talking to me down in the bottom here. So I hope that makes sense, guys. The links to join are below the video. Get involved. This is a great opportunity to sort of save money and earn money at the same time, and it's a very good business opportunity, something that you can easily do in your spare time, and it appeals to anybody, because all they're doing is you're giving people a chance to save money on what they're already doing. Okay, so whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.